Processing trauma number 1. The theme and history of this trauma is job worries, economical safety issues, bleak future, I can't make it, failure, catastrophizing. The negative cognitions of this trauma are I am in danger, I can't succeed. Power-related assessment. The most consistent image associated with the memory you want to neutralize is BBVA company firing me. Theme or memory you want to work on is getting fired from work. Pause. Installation and rewriting. 1. Step 1. I am succeeding. I am safe and relaxed now. I'm dealing well with managing life. 2. I have the trait of confidence. Therefore I will succeed. I have the trait of relaxation. Therefore I'm safe now. I have the trait of cheerfulness because I have the prospect of a bright future. Stop. 3. Step 3. Proof of I having these skills is that. Point A. I have been hired 7 times in the past for jobs that lasted more than a year. The image I have for this is celebrating in the city of Cerdaniola when I got the hiring call from BBVA. I have bounced back at least 7 times.
B. Proof that I have the skill of relaxation is that I have been relaxed in the past. I have felt safe and relaxed with my uncle Mirza. Proof that I have the skill of relaxation is that I felt safe and relaxed in the city of Frigiliana. Stop. C. Proof that I have the skill of cheerfulness is that I was cheerful driving down East Ocean Boulevard in Long Beach looking at the ocean or when I visited Paris for the first time.
I was also cheerful when I saw the towers of San Gimigliano approaching with the car. Stop. Step 4. I am enjoying feeling safe and being able to manage life. I can feel it. I can feel it in my body. 5.5.
All this despite the fact that I was fired.
All this, despite the financial lack, suffered from my parents in my teenage years. 6.6. This situation I am processing is a trigger to the past trauma. I rage and publicly ventilate against my parents.
It's because it was their selfishness and financial abuse that during my teens I didn't have the resources I needed. I reacted by catastrophizing and reacting with, what may go wrong now? An inner critic was created. I remind myself that feeling fear was recorded during childhood negligence from parents and is not equal to being in danger now. Stop. 7.7. I grieve. What I endured as a child was not correct. A teenager should not feel in danger because of negligent parents. I will refuse to continue scaring myself because it is counterproductive. 8.8. The younger me is now loved and protected by the resourceful adult me and his needs are met. He has a safe place to go. The adult version of me is now practicing yoga, practicing relaxation, studying, and going to relaxing places in nature. He puts beautiful images in his head. The adult me does all to have positive resources. The younger me can now access these resources. Stop. 9.9. I ask the universe to remove fear and take care of me. 10.10. I'm looking forward with excitement. I can take steps forward.